Make your budgie feel at home. If your budgie is new, it will need time to get used to its cage. You should let it adjust for at least a few days and then make sure that the bird is in a quiet environment before attempting to train it. By this time, the budgie should start to relax and feel comfortable. Make sure to read the WikiHow tutorial on how to take care of a budgie. Stay close to the cage. Talk to it quietly as you wait for it to adjust, but do not try to handle it. It will get used to you in the course of a few days or weeks. Avoid loud noises and screams. Your budgie is likely to be stressed by this new environment. Name your budgie. Say it often, especially when you feed it, so that it gets used to its new name. Read your bird a story. This might sound strange, but budgies like to hear their owner's voice. Reading them a book will soothe them and make your voice familiar. Let the budgie fly in a room. Once the bird is at ease with you, you can let it fly in a room with all of the windows and doors closed. This extra space will make your budgie happy and will keep it fit for the forthcoming training. 1. To call it back, switch off all the lights and leave the curtain of one window open, but remember to close the window. The budgie will be attracted towards the light. Hold it gently and put it back inside the cage. Make sure that there is no cat or predator in the room. If you have a child, don't let him, her frighten the bird. Budgies are easily traumatized.